Hello, good evening guys. Today problem is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 plus etc. 1 by n into n plus 1. See how to solve this problem. See, in the denominator we have 2. It can be written as 1 into 2 plus, in the denominator here 6. It can be written as 2 into 3 plus, in the denominator 12 we have, here it can be written as 3 into 4. Like this, here we have last term 1 by n into n plus 1. Here 1 by 1 into 2 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 2. See, if you do 1 minus 1 by 2, you will get 1 by 2 only. So 1 by 1 into 2. So like this, 1 by 2 into 3 is nothing but 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 4 is nothing but 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus etc. So it can be written as 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. See, in the middle terms they can be cancelled. So here first term is 1 and the last term is 1 by n plus 1. So here n plus 1 denominator, cross multiply 1 and n plus 1, you will get n plus 1, and here 1 can be written as 1 by 1. So minus, cross multiplication 1 into 1, 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. So the final answer is n by n plus 1. If you not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Thank you.